This video tutorial will show you how to submit an assignment in Google Classroom. In Classworks tab, select the assignment. If there is an attachment with the assignment, click on it to open. The attachment will be opened in a new tab. Complete the work given in the attachment. The file will be saved automatically, so you can close it now. Next, go to Classroom tab and click on View Assignment button. Look at the Turn In button. This is the attachment. You can open the file even from here and complete the tasks. If you want to write a comment or a message to your teacher, write here. Click the button to send the assignment. That's it. Your assignment has been submitted. Now I will show you how to submit a quiz type assignment. Click the assignment. A quiz created from Google Form is attached. Click on it to open the form. Complete the form and click the Submit button to submit your answers. Close the form. Next, click on View Assignment button. Now, you can see a different button because there is no attachment to be sent with this assignment. If there is no attachment, the button name will be marked as done. Write a comment or a message here if you want. If you need to send a file with this assignment, you can attach the file using Add or Create button. Click Mark as Done to submit your assignment.